So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to turn the goatee down. I think I'm going to go for 1 1/8, 11250, and then we're going to face it, and then I'm going to do my bore to 1 inch, and I'm going to thread this side. So we got one more thing to do on this, and that's internal thread there. Then we're going to take this piece of aluminum here, and we're going to make the internals. And the internal is going to have the OD thread to match the ID thread, along with the backside having the muzzle thread put in it. So the back's going to have quite a bit of work done on one part. Okay, I'm going to call this a day. It's got to be dinner time, and I actually have some appetite today. My appetite's been fairly good. I'm probably going to finish this up tomorrow. Good morning. It is cold, 4 degrees here in Maryland. So came out here this morning. It was 42 degrees in here, and I don't like my machines getting that cold. So this morning. It's already up to 56.1. 56.1. It was 42 when I came in. I cranked the heat up, and it's taking forever to warm it up in here. But either way, I got to get my machines up to, a little warmer, and I'll get my lathe warmed up, and we'll get busy back on this flash cam. So last night when I went in, this is where we were. The cap was made. Beautiful fit. You can barely even see where it comes together. So today, or this morning, once I get it up to about 65 in here and I warm up the lathe, we're going to put this in. We're going to cut our ID thread. We'll do our undercut. Then we're going to cut the internals to it and do the OD thread on that, and do the slotting on the inside for the flash to have an expansion area to go into. And then we'll put the muzzle thread on. Unbelievably cold here this morning. And I know we have it good compared to other people. So I feel for everybody that lost power and stuff. I've got a piece of solid round in the lathe back here. I went ahead and trued the OD. I turned it down to 1.175, and I faced it. So at this point, we're going to make a one piece. The last part for the can is going to be one piece. It's going to include the chamber, an OD thread, and the muzzle thread. Now I'm still going to have to turn the ID thread on this, but I can do that at the end. But once I make this part, it'll be easy for me to fit it. I have thread wires for measuring, but I don't use them. I do not own thread mics. I wish I did. At some point I would love to buy a set, but right now I just in my head know my numbers, and I cut to what I've done it long enough to where I know I don't ever have to measure it. It only takes me 1 or 2 test fits to get it at the end. Usually 2. You're around two times. I hit it a lot of times. I hit it on 1. At OD, the internal external threading I did the other day in that one video, I hit the numbers on both threads on the first time, and that's getting your dro set up. As you cut, you take measurement and you constantly adjust your dro. You get it fine tuned down to a half a thou, and then you can trust it. When it says it's on that number, it's on that number. And that's how I do it, because it takes too long to use thread wires. And it's not necessary. I've done this long enough where I don't have to. And again, I will get thread mics at some point. I've always wanted a set, but I've been able to go without them. They're expensive, of course, but we'll get there one day. Okay, me and my okays, huh? So here we go. So the only thing left to do is muzzle thread, and I'm going to do that right after that. But I just wanted to give you and show you how this was turning out. So there's our thread. I don't know how well you guys can see that, and how well this focus, but it's a beautiful thread. It's exactly the way it should be. It's just the focus just doesn't let me get these fine threads where you can see the peaks. So here's our chamber. We're still going to do our, we're going to cut slots on the mill machine. And, but right now, we're going to go in and do that muzzle thread right there, and then we're going to part it off. Now here's my reference part off mark right here. This is our overall length, and we'll part it off right there as soon as I go in and do the muzzle thread. So let me get the camera set back up, and we'll get this muzzle thread cut. This was made for basically a 10-22 long rifle. A bull barrel. So this was turned down to 920. I believe 10-22 bulls are 920. I'm basing this on what I know. I have two 10-22 bulls, and I've never measured the barrels on them, but I'm certain they're the same as my DPMS bull. My DPMS bull, I just love that rifle. I do thumbnail groups at 200 yards with hand loads all day long. All day long. Plop them right in the same hole at 200 yards with that thing. 1 in 9 twist, shooting 75 grain. You know, all the myth that can't be possible. Well, I do it at 200 yards with 1 in 9 twists, and I plop 75 grainers basically in the same hole. So it works for me with 75 grain, 1 in 9 twists at 200 yards. Over that, I don't know. I haven't put a lot of 75 grains out past 200 yards with that particular rifle. So anyways, here we are. So I'm not going to cut the slots. We're going to keep this completely non-functioning right now until I turn the camera off. And then I'll do whatever I want to do. But either way, here it is. So it goes in, screws right together. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And there you go. Now you can see the chamfer is bigger back here. You see that little gap? That's not different in diameter. That's the corners are cut, chamfered a little deeper. Right here, I didn't chamfer as much, and you can barely see it even fitting this cap here. Now you can see it. So there you go. Beautiful muzzle thread. This is, again, that's absolutely a half 28 and a piece of 304 stainless steel. It's the fixture I use for muzzle devices in the lathe. So this here is just a little over 920 right here. So this is a bull barrel. Stainless steel bull barrel, 10-22, and there we go. And I can promise you everything's concentric. The concentricity in this part is dead accurate because that's how I work. I don't do shit work. I'll never do shit work. And there you go. There it is, your flash cam. We just pretend it functions. But as of right now, there's no slots in it. it isn't completed anything. It's just a part I made for y'all. And I know the law. I abide by the law. I do not break the law. So I'm glad I could do this for you. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely need subscribers. And I'm grateful. I'm grateful for every one of you. And I'm going to continue to say I'm grateful because I truly am. I'm just overwhelmed every morning when there's another 20 subscribers. It just, I just get excited and want to come out here and work harder. And I will work hard for you. And if you would, I lose my breath so easy. Oh, wow. Well, I'm going to be on oxygen soon. It is what it is, but we're going to win. But anyways, I will work as hard as I can for you. I won't do less. It's just how I am, and I'll maintain that. I expect precision work out of me. You should expect precision work out of me. I won't do shit work. It will never be shit work come on this channel, ever. This is machines about precision. It's about perfection. And anything less than that is shit work. And that need not apply here. I did a video yesterday on a flash cam, doing a flash cam for a 1022 bull barrel. And I'm actually going to take one of my bulls and I'm going to cut the muzzle and thread it here for this cam. But I decided to do some finishing touches to this. We're going to put a 3/4 or a 5/8 hex around the muzzle OD right here. And then we're going to put the spanner slots in here for the spanner wrench to tighten down. And I might take it as far as running a 3/16 flute around the OD of the body. Yeah, remember, this is thin wall, so I can't plunge in very deep to do fluting, but I can flute. I'm just not going to be able to go in very deep, and it should still look pretty good. And then I'm probably going to Duracoat it. I have some Duracoat over here I'd like to use up, so we might do this in a flat dark earth or a OD green. I think I have some tactical black. I got snow gray. I got a few different colors, but I don't think I'm going to do that in the video, but we are going to do the hex today. We are going to do the spanner, and we're going to do some flutes, and I'll get this video up. just finished on the flute, and we're going to pull it out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So we got our spanner. It's fluted and hexed. Beautiful stuff. Okay, let me put it on the bench over here and finish this video up. There you go. It really turned out pretty, didn't it? I can't tell if the focus is good again. I have no idea. But anyways, there's our hex we put on, and we fluted it all the way around, every 30 degrees, all the way around. The flutes are identical in length and depth. So, and we put the little spanner slot in it, so our spanner tool, so we can tighten the front cap. But isn't that beautiful? That is just absolutely beautiful. And the hex is just sweet too. So let me so if that was a barrel, let's pretend that was a barrel sticking out there. There's your flash can. Real pretty. So I went ahead and did some finishing touches for you, and there you go. Everybody, please like and subscribe. Anybody new to my video, again, my name is Jeff, and I need likes and people to subscribe. And I'm grateful again. Thank you to everybody that's watching my videos. And I hope everybody's having a good Christmas. It's Christmas Day. And I've been in here. I decided to go ahead and do some finishing touches on this and go ahead and throw another little video up real quick to show you how pretty it could possibly be. And I can Cerakote this. I can Duracoat it. But beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. And I still did not. I did not slot the inside of it. So let's make sure everybody knows that right now. Just take this nice, beautifully fluted can off. Not slotted. Doesn't function. It might after I turn the camera off, though. But anyway, everybody, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Please. I'm going to put my information in the description again. You'll have my emails there. And my if you'd like to support the channel, and I would very much appreciate it. If you don't want to support, that's fine too. I'm going to have my PayPal there. But everybody have a great Christmas day. Again, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.